Welcome to today's video on the incredible world of AI in agriculture. This is an exciting topic that is transforming the way we grow food, manage resources, and tackle some of the biggest challenges facing our planet. Agriculture is one of the oldest industries, and AI is now playing a crucial role in revolutionizing it, improving farming practices, and creating sustainable solutions. AI in agriculture refers to using algorithms, machine learning, and automation to boost productivity and sustainability. By 2050, AI is expected to increase agricultural production by up to 70%, helping meet the food demands of a growing population. Let's begin with precision farming, which uses AI-powered tools to optimize crop production. AI systems, like drones and satellites, gather data on soil health, crop conditions, and weather patterns to make real-time decisions. For example, John Deere's AI-powered tractors use GPS technology to ensure precision in planting, fertilizing, and harvesting, reducing waste and increasing efficiency. AI also helps reduce fertilizer usage by up to 30% while maintaining crop yields, making farming more sustainable. Another area where AI shines is in pest and disease management. AI-powered image recognition apps, like Plantix, allow farmers to identify pests and diseases early, cutting pesticide costs by up to 50%. AI also plays a role in irrigation management. Smart irrigation systems, like CropX, adjust water usage based on soil moisture and weather forecasts, reducing water consumption by up to 40%, which is critical in areas facing water scarcity. Now, let's talk about autonomous machinery. AI-powered tractors, harvesters, and drones reduce labor costs and increase operational efficiency. For instance, self-driving tractors from CNH Industrial can plow fields, plant seeds, and apply fertilizers without human intervention, reducing labor costs by up to 50%. In livestock management, AI-powered wearables like Cowlar track the health of cows, alerting farmers to potential health issues early, which reduces the need for antibiotics. In terms of supply chain management, AI tools, such as the IBM Food Trust blockchain, track produce from farm to table, ensuring freshness and reducing waste. This technology has helped reduce food waste by up to 25%, optimizing the supply chain. AI also plays a significant role in crop breeding and genetic improvement. AI tools by Bayer Crop Science analyze genetic data to identify traits for drought resistance, faster growth, and higher yields. This technology is accelerating breeding efforts and improving crop resilience. Moreover, AI promotes sustainable farming by helping farmers reduce chemical pesticide and fertilizer use. Companies like TerraSentia use AI-powered robots to gather data on crop health and apply pesticides only when necessary, reducing chemical usage. Another exciting development is the impact of AI on energy consumption. AI helps optimize farm machinery, ensuring that tractors and harvesters use the least amount of fuel necessary, cutting greenhouse gas emissions. The potential of AI in agriculture is immense. By 2025, AI is expected to save the global agriculture industry over $5 billion annually through waste reduction and efficiency improvements. AI is also helping farmers become more resilient to climate change. AI-powered platforms like Climate Corporation analyze weather patterns, predicting extreme events like droughts or floods, helping farmers prepare in advance. Smart farming is transforming food production. Companies like Iron Ox are using AI-driven robots in smart greenhouses to optimize plant growth, using less water and fewer pesticides than traditional farming methods. AI-driven plant-based alternatives, like those from Impossible Foods and Beyond Meat, are also providing sustainable solutions to feed the growing population while reducing the environmental impact of livestock farming. AI is improving the livelihoods of farmers, especially in developing countries. Mobile apps like Digital Green provide real-time advice on crop management, pest control, and irrigation, helping farmers increase productivity and income. These tools help farmers in remote areas access expert advice, market prices, and financial stability, reducing reliance on middlemen. While the impact of AI in agriculture is overwhelmingly positive, there are challenges, such as access to technology, data privacy, and training. Farmers need the right tools and support to make the most of AI innovations. In conclusion, AI is transforming agriculture, from precision farming to autonomous machinery, making farming more efficient, sustainable, and resilient to climate change. With the right investment and support, AI can ensure a sustainable future for agriculture, feeding the growing population while protecting the planet. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Smart Bytes for more insights into the world of artificial intelligence. How do you think AI will shape the future of farming? Share your thoughts in the comments below what topics you'd like to see covered in future videos. Your feedback is important to us. Stay curious, stay informed, and join us next time as we explore more groundbreaking innovations in technology.